Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just got this today. It's the Apple Watch Product Red, the Apple Watch Series 6 with LTE built in. This is my first Apple Watch I'm getting with LTE built in. So obviously, as you can tell by the red writing, it is the Apple Watch Red Edition. Nothing on the side, nothing on the other side. The back has some specifications to the item itself. Um, there's a little pull tab right here for you to open it, and just on the bottom, nothing. So let's get into it. There we go. Got that little bit of cellophane wrapping around it. We won't need that anymore. We'll put that to the side for now. Now, it does have a little bit of an embossment on it. Feels very nice. We're going to flip it over, and there's a little lift tab lip there and lip here. Just open those up. What's going on? There we go. There we are. And the red one does have a nice red finish all around. And you're greeted with a red watch right there. Put that to the side for one moment. I'll show you the inside of it. It is all red. I don't believe the other ones have done this. I think it's just for Product Red that they're doing it like this. It is very nice of Apple to do. Compliments to them for that. So then you have two things. You have the Apple Watch that comes in this box, and you also get the red sports strap, which is, of course, Product Red. And they even put a little comment here that Apple is proud to join Red in funding programs to help in the fight against HIV and AIDS, which is very good of Apple to do. I applaud them for doing that. Anyways, I already have the red strap, so I don't really need that one. And it is, of course, the 44 millimeter one that I received. And there's a little bit of a... No, I thought there would be another pull tab. So it looks like you just lift it up. And of course, designed by Apple in California, as always, manufactured in China. Product Red, very nice. Little setup instructions on how to use it, how to charge, how to open the bands and take out the bands, replacing them. No Apple stickers, but that's all right. I'm sure I have 1,001 of those. I don't need any more. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. A little charging puck. Now the charging puck to me looks like it got a little bit smaller, but you know what? It actually didn't. It's the packaging itself is covering a little bit of it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same size as the standard one that we always get. And here is the Apple Watch. So difficult to see, but there it says 44 millimeter on it in this nice little case. It's like a neoprint, maybe like a bit of a leathery sort of case, which is very nice. We're going to take out the Apple Watch, if we can get it out. There we are. Pretty sure I just turned it on. No, guess not. There it is. Back. Very, very glossy. You can see all the new sensors on it. And that, I believe, is it for that. There's nothing else. Of course, the strap, which we've gone over, there's no point in me unboxing it. I already have one that's open, so I don't need to do that. Let's do a boot up and see real quick if we can get it to turn on. There we go, a little Apple logo. This is a little different than the other one that they had with the Series 4. I never got the 5, but with the Series 4, it wasn't like this. It felt a little more sturdy, a little more of better quality. This one, not so much, but it, of course, does its job. It's protected the Apple Watch. And low battery. Well, that's the first thing we gotta do. We gotta connect it to his charger. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 LTE edition. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.